This grandfather clock is more than a timepiece. It's a symbol of mechanical engineering at its core. From intricate gear trains to a precise pendulum, it embodies the principles we study. TRI was founded because of this clock, when Professor Delson hoped to see it tick once more.
So we found that the height of the table here in our lab wasn't high enough to accommodate the full length of the pendulum, so we needed a frame to support the entire gearbox on. The frame would also help keep the gearbox secure, reduce vibrations for testing that we would perform on it. It was designed by me and Fernando, and based on a CAD drawing that Fernando had done. We built it out of 80/20 that we borrowed from the design studio, as well as a wooden platform that we cut using wood from DIB. And with C-clamps, this keeps the gearbox secure.
So we had to find a way to collect data from our clock so that we can track its performance before and after every change that we made. One of the ways we did this was including a bunch of sensors onto our testbed. We have 4 sensors on our testbed. One is the accelerometer to track the pendulum's oscillation. The second is the IR brake beam to fully define the runtime of the clock through tracking the escapement teeth. The third is a temperature sensor that tracks the correlation between friction and temperature. And the fourth is a camera so that we can just visually track any discrepancies we see from the other sensors.
I did my undergraduate at UCSD and returned as a faculty member in 1999. And I distinctly remember walking to lunch and seeing this beautiful mechanical clock. At the same time, I was developing an introduction to design class. And motivated by this mechanical clock, I came up with the idea of having each student build their own pendulum clock, which they would CAD and cut on a laser cutter. However, after 30 years, water had intruded into the enclosure, rust had started to develop on the clock, and it stopped the tick. Now I see a motivated team of undergraduates restoring the clock to its original glory, and I am so pleased.